Hello. My name is Arcto. I am an Antarctic fur seal. We are found in the Southern Ocean and surrounding Antarctic regions. We are one of the most abundant seal species in the Antarctic, with large breeding colonies found on various islands and coastlines. We have a thick, luxurious fur coat that provides insulation against the cold Antarctic waters. We are sexually dimorphic, with males being much larger than females and possessing a distinctive mane of coarse hair around our necks. The male can reach lengths of up to 2.5 meters, 8.2 feet, and weigh over 200 kilograms, 440 pounds, while females are smaller, typically reaching lengths of around 1.5 meters, 4.9 feet, and weighing up to 50 kilograms, 110 pounds. We have external ear flaps and a streamlined body shape, well suited for life in the water. We are highly agile and adept swimmers, capable of diving to depths of over 100 meters, feeding primarily on fish and holding our breath for several minutes, and other small marine organisms. We have powerful jaws and sharp teeth, which they use to catch and consume their prey. We are known for our vocalizations, including barks, grunts, and growls, which we use for communication within our colonies. We are social animals, forming large breeding colonies or rookeries during the summer months. Our breeding colonies can consist of thousands of individuals, with males establishing territories and competing for females. We are known to exhibit aggressive behavior, particularly during the breeding season, when males defend their territories and females from rival males. Females give birth to a single pup each year, usually in late November or early December, after a gestation period of around 11 months. Pups are born with a thick layer of dark brown fur, which they shed and replace with a lighter, silver-gray coat as they mature. Female Antarctic fur seals typically nurse their pups for around 4 to 6 weeks before weaning them and returning to the sea to forage. Male Antarctic fur seals do not participate in parental care and may mate with multiple females within the colony. We face threats from predation by killer whales, leopard seals, and sharks, particularly young or weakened individuals. We are also susceptible to entanglement in marine debris, pollution, habitat disturbance, and climate change. Conservation efforts aim to monitor and protect our populations, including measures to mitigate human impacts on their habitats and reduce mortality from entanglement and other threats. We are protected under various international conservation agreements, including the Convention for the Conservation of Antarctic Marine Living Resources, CCAMLR, and the Antarctic Treaty System. We play a crucial role in Antarctic ecosystems as top predators, helping to regulate prey populations and maintain ecosystem balance. We are important indicators of ecosystem health and environmental change in the Southern Ocean. Despite our name, we are not exclusively found in Antarctica and can also be found on subantarctic islands and coastlines throughout the Southern Ocean. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Hello. My name is Ringed. I am a ringed seal. We are the smallest and most abundant seal species in the Arctic. Our length can reach up to around 1.5 meters and weighing 50 to 75 kilograms. We are named for the distinctive light-colored rings or spots on our coats. We molt annually, shedding their old fur coat and growing a new one to maintain insulation and waterproofing. We have a circumpolar distribution, inhabiting the Arctic Ocean and adjacent seas. We are well adapted to life in icy environments, with a thick layer of blubber and dense fur for insulation. We have short, blunt snouts and large, round eyes, well suited for our aquatic lifestyle. We are excellent divers, capable of diving to depths of over 150 meters, 500 feet, and holding our breath for up to 45 minutes. Our nostrils, that can close tightly to prevent water from entering while diving. We are primarily feed on a diet of fish, crustaceans, and squid, which we hunt using echolocation and our keen senses. We are known for our agility and speed in the water, capable of swimming at speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, 15 miles per hour. We may use breathing holes, known as egglets, to access air while swimming under the ice. We communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, chirps, and whistles, which help us coordinate within the group and locate each other in the water. We are generally solo by nature. We hunt alone, and when we haul up onto ice to rest, we will separate ourselves. The only time we come together is during mating season, when we may set up our lairs in closer proximity to each other, in which we excavate snow caves, known as lairs, on the ice, where we will give birth to a single pup each year. Our pups are born with a soft, white coat called lanugo, which helps them blend into the snow and provides camouflage from predators. The mothers nurse their pups for about 6 weeks before weaning them and teaching them to hunt and survive on their own. We face threats from climate change, habitat loss, pollution, and predation by polar bears and orcas, and also hunted by indigenous peoples for our meat, blubber, and fur, which are important sources of food and materials in Arctic cultures. We are important prey for polar bears, Arctic foxes, and a variety of bird species, including gulls and ravens. We play a crucial role in Arctic ecosystems, serving as both predators and prey in the food web. We have a relatively long lifespan, with individuals living for up to 25 years in the wild. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Hello. My name is Harpy. I am a harp seal. We also known as saddleback seals due to the distinctive dark markings on our backs that resemble a saddle. Our length about 5 to 6 feet long, weigh about 260 to 300 pounds, and have a robust body with a small, flat head. We have a narrow snout and 8 pairs of teeth in both the upper and lower jaws. We have a silver-gray fur coat as juveniles, which is shed to reveal a silvery blue-gray coat as adults. We have dark spots and patterns on our backs, while younger seals have a lighter coat. We are well adapted to life in icy waters, with a thick layer of blubber beneath our skin for insulation. We are known for our large, black eyes and long, whisker-like vibrissae, which we use to detect prey underwater. We are one of the species of earless seal native to the northern Atlantic Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. We have strong, flipper-like forelimbs that we use for swimming and maneuvering through the water that allows us to be an excellent diver, capable of diving to depths of up to 600 feet, 180 meters, and holding our breath for over 15 minutes. We primarily feed on a diet of fish, squid, and crustaceans, which we hunt using echolocation and our keen senses. We communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including barks, grunts, and calls, which help us coordinate within the group and locate each other in the water. We are social animals, often forming large groups or colonies on pack ice during the breeding season. We typically breed and give birth on pack ice in the Arctic Ocean during the late winter and early spring. We gave birth to a single pup each year, which we nurse for about 12 days before weaning them, and are left to fend for themselves and learn to hunt and survive in the harsh Arctic environment. Our pups are born with a white coat, known as a lanugo, which helps them blend into the ice and provides camouflage from predators. We are migratory animals, traveling long distances between our breeding grounds and feeding areas. We are sometimes preyed upon by polar bears, orcas, and sharks, particularly young or injured seals. We also are being hunted for our fur, meat, and blubber in some regions, particularly in Canada and Greenland. Our body part were used as materials to make garments for indigenous crafters. Our meat and oil are consumed to sustain communities that are often food insecure. Our blubber sometimes used for their heat and for ceremonial purposes. In the wild, we can live for an estimated 30 years. We play an important role in Arctic ecosystems, serving as both predators and prey in the food web. We are considered a keystone species, meaning we have a disproportionately large impact on our environment compared to our abundance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.